Today I am going to discuss about Apache 443 port error in XAMPP control panel. First we'll try to start Apache server. It's not starting. Here we can find the error 443 port is used by VMware Workstation. Apache will not start without the configured ports free. That means Apache web server is configured for HTTP, that means secure web browsing port 443. This is called HTTPS port. If there's an issue in HTTP port, then we have to correct it from config Apache HTTPD config. Since this is 443 port error, we have to correct it from Apache HTTPD SSL config file. Let's open it. Then we will look for port 443. Here we found it. So we have to use a separate number for this port. Now we will change it to 4433. Next we will check whether this port is configured somewhere else in this configuration file. We can, yes, here we found another place port 443 is configured. We will change it to 4433 as well. Next we will check, or we can find and we can search it. We can search for 443. Here again we found it. Then we will change it to 443. That's all in this file. Then we will save this file. Now we'll start Apache server again. Yes. Now it is started. See here, port 4433 is used. If there's a port 80 issue, if there's a web browsing issue, that means there's a issue, error in port 80. But in this case we didn't come up with that error. Now let's go and see whether Apache web server is running correctly. We'll go to Google Chrome and type localhost there. You can see here Apache home. From this we can confirm Apache web server is running. Thank you.